How to download Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free. So if you want to download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and search for Adobe support. Once you search here on the first, you will have Adobe Help Center. Click on the Adobe Help Center. Once you click on it, now you will be getting this kind of dashboard. So here on the right side, you will have a chat box. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you will have an option of type your message. So here you have to simply choose an option of try or buy an app. Then it will show you the kind of problem. Then it will ask you, tell me more about what you need help with. So you need to simply write, I wanted to have the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro. So simply enter that because I want to check how the software works before buying. This is my account details, and you need to enter your email address here under this bracket. It'll be very easier for me to make decisions. And once you enter that, you just need to hit the send button. And once you send, now you need to go with the second option, which is try or buy new plan or apps, and go with yes, chat with an agent, and it will connect you to an agent. You have to simply copy and paste the same thing that you have just written before, or you'll be allowed to download the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's how you can get it for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.